Myself Shweta. I joined the QSpiders last year during September. I opted for Java Full Stack Web Development course. I started with the core Java classes from Nandi sir, which were very useful and easy to understand. He taught me the concepts very clearly. After that, I attended the SQL classes, which was taught by Sankit sir. He explained the concepts very easily in a practical manner. After that, I attended the classes from Tamil Selvan sir on WebTech. He mostly practically taught the classes where we were doing real-time projects in the classes based on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Other than that, I got enrolled in the development internship which in the RoboWaves. During the internship, I was made to prepare on projects based on real time, and it was guided by Shravani ma'am, Amit sir as well as Tamil Selvan sir. These projects actually helped me to crack the interviews.